So this is a guide on how to install Windows 10 from a USB flash drive for free. Insert it in a computer and we're going to need an up and running computer. We're gonna need an internet connection, so we're gonna go to Google and we're gonna download from Microsoft website called the Media Creation Tool. It should be the first result. So we're gonna have to download this and I'm just gonna show you the finished one right now. So it is downloaded. Go ahead and run it. This is from the Microsoft's website. So before we go through the setup process, this is gonna be our finished product. We're gonna have a clean install of Windows 10 with one downside, which you can see at the bottom right watermark. It says activate Windows Go to setting to activate Windows. So if you want to do a free of charge, you're gonna be installing an activate version. What does that mean? Well, really all it means is that you're gonna have a bottom right watermark telling you to activate Windows. So we're gonna go ahead and accept this on create media installation. So the language you want is English Windows 10 and choose 64-bit. You can uncheck this and select like 32-bit. Most modern PCs are 64-bit, like this PC. To check, you can go to File Explorer and this PC and you can see the system properties. Click it and it tells you what system type you are using. Mine is 64-bit operating system. Other PCs may have a slight variation of settings, but you can still see it at the system operations. So let's check the laptop if they have the same operating system. Can still go to the File Explorer, the computer, and system properties. As you can see, it's still 64-bit operating system. And this laptop is an old version. It's a Windows 7. You can upgrade it. So I'm gonna choose the 64-bit and next, and select the flash drive, the USB, so the flash drive that you will use will at least have a 8 gigabytes of storage. You could use a higher storage flash drive, but using a 2 gigabytes or 4 gigabyte flash drive will not work. Now let's just wait for the Windows 10 setup to download the Windows 10 to the flash drive. Now it is creating the Windows 10 media and is now putting in the USB, and it is now done. Now shut down your computer. We have now a Windows 10 in our flash drive. Now we're gonna plug the flash drive into the PC and turn on the PC. You can press delete or F2 to enter the UEFI BIOS setting. The screen doesn't stay long, so if you miss the timing, you can just turn off your computer and restart. So this is the settings in my PC. So all you have to do is find the boot priority and place the flash drive at the very first or at the top, and then click save and exit. Click OK. PC will now start to reboot itself. Now we're gonna start the process of putting the Windows 10 into our hard drive. Now click install now. Setup is starting. So if you are okay with a watermark, you can proceed with it by clicking the I don't have a product key. So this is where you select the versions of Windows 10 that you're gonna use. Then accept the license terms, then next, then custom. So if you're not using a brand new hard drive, it should only have one drive partition, so you're gonna delete the partitions until you have only one left. Delete. Then next, you should have a backup data on your hard drive because it's gonna delete all the files in the hard drive. Have to wait, and it's finished. You can now restart the Windows. So it will just load everything up, and remember to remove your flash drive during this process so that you will not start over again and boot again. If it boots again, you just need to unplug your flash drive and shut down your computer and then turn it on again. When you reach this screen, you're pretty much done. You just need to select what suits you. You can select United States or US. Then you can add a second keyboard, just skip, and can connect to your network, can add password, and can choose accept, and that's it. Members: Antig Drexler as Agrafil Bajani, Istupin Andre, Pogot Lloyd Vincent, Sarol Aldwin, and Inut John AG.